How did grass evolve? Great question. A real doozy. How did we go from bud to broccoli? From sticks and leaves to dank hashish? Well, stick icky around and sink in the couch because we're gonna teach and shong you all about our friend Mary Jane. But hold up, bud. Before we begin, take a hit of that subscribe button to get chronic updates from the Bad Astra team. And light up that like button so our channel doesn't go up in smoke. Remember, kids, just say no to other science YouTubers. Astra is in Oregon right now, so I'm going to go ahead and puff pass it over to her so she can cover why the devil's lettuce became jazz cabbage.
Hi, Astra here, answering your questions submitted via Instagram. This question, submitted by Mrs. Sissy P. and Skeptic, is, how did grass evolve? Grass evolved like everything else. Slowly, aimlessly, over the history of life on Earth. All living things have genes, stored in DNA or RNA like files on a computer. Radiation from the universe can damage this information or corrupt these files and cause tiny, random changes. Most of these changes are bad. Excess radiation usually causes cancer. But some of the random changes have very little effect on the organism, and a tiny fraction of the random changes actually have a positive effect. The negative effects generally don't propagate, since they limit the organism's ability to reproduce, either by killing it or giving it another reproductive disadvantage. The neutral effects just kind of chill there, getting passed down to offspring, but not spreading through the species. Positive changes, however, can spread across the species, since they give the changed organism the ability to produce more offspring than other members of its species. For grass, this advantage could be a taller sprout, which spreads seeds farther than the average sprout. Disease resistance, allowing that grass to survive what killed other grass. More chlorophyll, allowing the grass to eat more sunlight and have more energy. Positive, neutral, and negative changes are also environment-specific. So an advantage could even be a more attractive color and texture perceived by humans, who then plant that type of grass in more places because they think it's pretty. Astra out. Thank you so much for joining us here on Bad Astra. If you enjoyed watching, please like this video, leave a comment telling us what topic you'd like to see next month, and share it with everyone you know. Be sure to also subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. And if you can't get enough of me, Eris, and Science Tommy, join our Patreon, where we post behind-the-scenes, deep dives, and other fun content. A special thank you to all of our Patreon supporters who make these videos possible. Astra out.